Hello YouTube, welcome to your favorite music channel YTV, with me, Sane Junkie, also known as DJ Y Jr. Today, we're jumping into a fun-filled evening that recently made waves in the music industry. We're discussing the recent family outing of the legendary rapper Nelly at a bowling center. In this episode, we will explore the delightful dynamics of their family night out, their joyful moments, and how this fun-filled event has stirred up the music world. As we delve into the details, the unique bonding between Nelly and his family at the bowling center has become a hot topic. The followers' reactions, encapsulated in countless comments and likes, highlight the significance of this event. The fans are clearly intrigued, posting their reactions, expressing their thoughts about this family time. It's a moment of unity and joy, a tribute to the bond that connects these artists with their fans. As we delve deeper into the responses, the resonance from this discussion is palpable across the music industry. In my opinion, Nelly and his family's night out was entertaining and heartwarming. Their fun-filled evening resonates with a powerful truth about the impact of family ties in the music industry, as noted by many. With that, we conclude today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey through the music community's response to this family outing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the dynamic world of music. Peace out.